morning, writers. Good morning. All right, today we're going to talk about plants and the parts of plants. What is this a picture of? Look at it. It's a, Brianna? A plant. And when they are all together in beautiful arrays, we call them gardens. Does anyone have a garden at home? Junior, you have a garden at home? What type of flowers do you have in your garden? Or what color do you have in your garden?
Purple, pink, and blue.
Wonderful. Edwin, do you have a garden? What kind of plants do you have in your garden?
Yellow, blue, pink, purple.
All right. So flowers and plants come in different colors and different sizes. And they have different names. So let's look at one more picture of a plant. This is also a garden. Kind of tiny, but can you see it? Nice, colorful flowers. All right. Is it beautiful? Purple and white. All right. So today we're going to learn about the plants and the different parts of the plant, okay? And what their names are and the jobs that they do, because we all have a job, even the plants. Everybody has a job. So let's first start off by talking about the roots. And I want you to dig your hands into the ground. Dig, 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 dig. And inside of the ground live the roots. You see live the roots. What is this green stuff called?
Grass.
Okay, come on, he said grass in Spanish.
Hoja.
All right, so the grass is nice and green. All right, and this is the stem of the flower. And the stem has a very important job. Then you have the leaves. And you have the petals and the flower. All right, what is this? Come on, dice sun.
Soil.
All right, very good. And you have rains and clouds. And all of this together goes together. So let's go ahead and label some of the parts and talk about that vocabulary. All right, let's say roots. All right, stand up nice and tall. Now, put your hands down in front of you. Those are called the roots. All right, turn and talk to your partner what you might think roots do. What might roots do? Oh, I love it. Tell me, what do you think roots do? All right. Roots, what do you think they might do? Very good, Jessica. All right, have a seat. All right. The first word we have roots, and we're going to put it right here down under roots. And the roots have a very, very important job. The roots hold the plant in the ground. So put your hand under, dig down deep. The roots hold the plant in the ground. Very good. All right. Roots also do another good job. They also have another job. The roots get food and water from the soil. All right? Do you see the dots? Those are called minerals, and that's food that the plant needs. And so the roots hold the plant in the ground and also gets the food. All right? And we said this was the grass. So this is the stem. Very good. The stem. So we're going to label the stem. All right? And the stem holds the flower and the leaves up. All right? The stem also takes water and food from the roots up to the flower. All right? Now, I need need some help with this. The next one. Leaves. Leaves. Kimberly, thank you so much. Can you come put it up for me? Come on up. Thank you. Leaves. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Good listening. All right. And leaves make food for the plants. So we'll put that up. I have some volunteers. Thank you, Junior. Very good. And Brianna. And they make air for us to breathe. Leaves, you can put it right over here. Good job. Leaves make food for the plant and make air for us to breathe. All right? Just need help? Good job. All right. Very good. And then last part, the flower. The flower. All right, I have Mark Anthony wants to help, and Mariana, come on down. The flower. All right. Here. Good job, Mark Anthony. Good job. Flower. Maria, nice and tall. And the flower makes new seeds. And seeds make new plants. Good job. So the flower makes new seeds, and new seeds make flowers. So let's go back over our objectives. For today's lesson, we are going to listen for the parts of the plant. We are going to tell what the plant parts do. We are going to find facts about plants. And we're going to write about the plants and what they do. So now, I want to make some hand movements to go with all of these parts. We have the roots, we have the stem, we have leaves, and we have flowers. So turn and talk to your partner and discuss some hand movements we can do to go with each of those vocabulary words. Roots. What can we do for roots? What kind of hand movement can we do for roots? All right, I like that. Edwin suggested in his group, may I share what you said? Edwin said in his group that we can use the hand movement that we used for the roots earlier. That's a good idea. Say it. Brianna suggested that we stand up nice and tall to represent the stem. All right, I need a leaf. What can we do for a leaf, Junior? Look at what Jessica did. Do it again, Jessica. So Jessica suggests we wave one hand up for the flower and one hand for the leaf. Can we do that? All right, so let's stand to our feet. Stand up nice and tall. Give yourselves a little space. Give yourselves a little space. All right, we're going to start down with the roots. So show me a seed down in the roots. Become a seed down in the roots. Junior, you're a seed down in the roots. Down. Edwin Freer, can you bend down a little more? Good job. All right, so we're a seed down in the roots. Stand up nice and tall for the stem. Show me a leaf and a flower. Good job. I love it. Do you guys love it? What color flower are you? You're on purple, blue, pink. Come on, say D. Say blue. Oh, what about red? Any red flowers? Good job. Have a seat. Now, we're going to watch a video entitled The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. And after we watch the video, we're going to add some things to our chart. And the title of our chart says Plants. Alright? And we need to talk about what plants have, what plants need, and what plants give us. Alright? Before reading the book, can you tell me what plants have? One thing they have, Brianna?
They have one stem.
They have a stem. Very good, and I love the sentence. But I'm just going to write the word stem. Very good. Benito? They need, did you hear that? What he said? They need sun. Very good. They need the sun. Very good, Benito. All right. Yes, Helena?
Water.
They need water. Very good. Junior? They have, can we put that under have? Plants have seeds. Very good. You guys know a lot already. Mark Anthony?
The stem can give us air.
Very good. Very good. All right, one more. Benita, you share. Can someone else have a chance to share? Yes, Kimberly. They need water. Very good. All right, very good. All right. We're going to go ahead and watch the video and see what other things we may add to our chart, okay? Thank you for your listening ears. Good job.